Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to the second part of the campus placement series that we have got up in these testing times. So today we have Abhinav Bhera with us. So Abhinav is a 2019 pass out from MIT Manipal, and he obtained his bachelor's in electrical and electronics engineering, like me and a few people who came before in this series. So a testing branch, that's for sure. And so Abhinav was placed and is still working at Accenture, a pretty big name, pretty big company. So Abhinav, when we talk about Accenture, I mean, it's a pretty big firm, we know that. But let's just start, let's just trace the starting through which you became part of this Accenture family. So the first question to you is, like, when did you start your, placement preparation and how was it?
Well, I started preparing for placements during the summers, just after seventh semester, and I used online. I've went to some coaching for coding and all, and I used materials like Arun Sharma, which really helps us to prepare. And this material, Arun Sharma, the one thing I like about Arun Sharma is that it helps you to solve questions quickly. It teaches you some techniques to solve those questions. And as from the seniors, I got to know that during this online test, they test your speed. They don't test your knowledge. They also test your speed. So Arun Sharma helped me a lot preparing for my placements, and I had several backup options in my mind also.
Okay, great. So like when you say backup options, you literally, I think you're meaning higher education and stuff like that, right? I mean, in case you don't get a
Yes,
place.
yes, it's good to have a backup option. What if Plan A doesn't work? It's always
That's
good to
right.
have a Plan B. Yeah.
That's right. That's right. Perfect. Very well put, Abhinav. So taking it forward, let's talk about specifically about your Accenture OT. Like, what were the type of questions and the subjects which were asked on it, and how different was it compared to the other OTs that you had given?
See, most of the OTs they test your coding skills, but one thing I liked about Accenture is they tested only your mathematical skills and verbal skills. So it was relatively easy for a student like me who is not from a coding background to get into it. So it was coding. It was basically the online test was not difficult, so it
Okay.
was easy getting into it. Like getting into Deloitte and KPMG also, where they don't ask anything about coding.
Absolutely. Second that. So once got you cleared the OT round, then comes the of course the major interview thing. So how was it, and like what kind of questions were asked to you? How challenging was it? How different was it?
Well, as far as I remembered, this interview process, I got placed during mid October. So during the interview, what I remembered, we had a group interview. So they used to ask uh, e- each and every member of the group different questions. Why they want to join that particular company? What interest I'm joining that company? And it was nothing that difficult. It was as expected. We didn't have any group discussion round and all like we used to have in Deloitte and all. So it
Mhm.
was just relatively easy getting into it.
Okay, very well put. And like, let's talk about the profile building. As you said. So, like, if what suggestion would you give to the juniors, coming through preparing who still have good 3 4 months in their plate before the placement season begins? Like, what extra they can do, to build their profiles up, get it a bit of level up so that it looks you know presentable to a company like Accenture. What more that can they do apart from their studies and online courses, etc., etc.?
Profile building. See, if you are preparing for companies like Accenture, which doesn't test your coding skills, you need to have your basics clear of and maths and verbal skills basics clear for this company, because this company not like Cisco, where you need to have a very good profile and you need to have a very good coding background. What one thing I like about this company is that this company they they don't test your coding skills in initial round, but they teach you, they train you in languages like Java, RDBMS, and all. So I got trained after getting into Accenture. So this is how they helped you, and they help you and make you ready for your onboarding.
Absolutely. I mean, very well put. I believe what Abhinav is trying to say is that at that moment they don't expect you to know coding because probably you don't have the access, or you're not you're not allowed to learn, or maybe you didn't get the chance to learn. I'm sorry for saying allowed, but stuff like that. So like what he's trying to say is that in the later stages they train you, of course, once you get on board. So that's a good thing which Abhinav like. So Abhinav, my last question is, as you mentioned, you got placed around October 21st. So,
Yes.
that kind of is a middle to late session of the entire campus placement season. So, like, how difficult was it? You were seeing your friends, colleagues getting placed in the initial rounds. Like, what did you do to keep yourself motivated, and kept telling yourself that you have to get in? And what did you do? Because, I mean, it's really difficult for someone, to be in that spot. So, what were the things that you did? And what were the things you would suggest to the juniors that they should do?
See, basically, going through a right process is important thing than going after the result. If you are under a right process, then only you can succeed. So I always had that mentality that I need to work hard for it, prepare myself, then thinking about the result. Though my friends got placed earlier, they helped me. They really pushed me. So I was never demotivated at all. In fact, I would like to give them a credit for my placement. So you should push each other than getting bogged down and being jealous of each other's success. So if you can push each other, then when you can get placed and it will bring best out of you. So
Very,
going through a process is important thing. Yeah,
very,
right
very well put,
process.
Abhinav. I mean, you just have to keep the right friend circle around you who keeps pushing you in such difficult times. So thank you so much, Abhinav. That was pretty much helpful. And thank you for joining us today. And thank you, everyone. Keep hustling. Thank you.